It takes the right tools for managers to take their teams to the next level, whether they're pinpointing areas of improvement or celebrating victories. But it can be tough to get right. Opening up the lines of communication with custom surveys can help create a growth mindset, support ongoing development, improve performance, and more. This is why we built custom surveys. They offer the flexibility, personalization, and insight that managers require to improve their teams and build upon existing strengths. More importantly, custom surveys allow managers to determine the effectiveness of company or team initiatives by opening the floor to rich discussion with team members. The result? A more holistic understanding of the situation and concrete solutions for development. But we know that managers are busy people. Crafting ad hoc or recurring surveys for your teams or the organization can take time. So we're here to help. We have loads of custom survey templates in the platform to help you get started. Here are just a few examples of the types of custom surveys you can find in the Officevibe platform. We have surveys around diversity and inclusion, goal setting and engagement, clarifying roles and expectations, as well as metric deep dives and custom surveys based on your own team's fluctuations. What are the benefits of using our custom survey templates? Number one, it'll save you time. Templates allow managers to focus on what matters most. You can even create templates to be available for the rest of your company. They're easy to use. With Officevibe curated templates ready to go on the platform, you are one click away from great conversations. And lastly, consistent messaging. Templates ensure that you're engaging in the most important conversations with all of your team members. So why don't we jump into the platform and have a look at where we can find all of those. So here I am in my Officevibe account. In order to go and see the templates, we're going to click on Surveys and Custom Surveys. Here at the top, we can already see that there are some custom surveys that we've already built. So the templates are here for my company. By clicking on View All, we can go in and see all of the Officevibe curated surveys that are already in here. So we invite you to go in and explore here. You can test out any of them by previewing or using the templates, customizing them, and really making them your own. Anything that has been saved for the entire organization to use will be under From My Organization. In here, we'll see any templates that have been saved to share with everybody. And in my templates, these are where I can save my own custom survey templates that I might want to send to my team. Maybe I have something that I want to send out every 3 months or on a recurring basis. In here is where I can save them. So when I have an active or a draft survey, I can save it as a custom template for myself by clicking on these three dots and clicking Save As Template. We'll give the template a title and a description and then decide whether we want to share it, just keep it for ourselves or share it for the whole organization by clicking on Public.